5.
Good morning, everybody. Hope you're safe out there. Welcome to another installment of Mondays with the Mayor. I am Mayor Clay Walker of the Denali Borough, and this series of video chats is intended to inform the public of developments. And the last Mondays with the Mayor was March 16th. Today it's Thursday, March 26th. It's 9:30 in the morning. We do have other mechanisms of informing the public of what's going on, and we have posted some public notices in those 10 days. They're found on our website, mainly regarding the COVID-19 outbreak and crisis that has ensued, both a health crisis and an economic crisis. And that's primarily the topic of this video installment. A lot has happened in the last 10 days. At the last Mondays with the Mayor, there was one case in the state, and now there are 59. I looked at it nationally. 10 days ago, there were 4,000 cases of COVID-19 nationally, and now there are 54,000. So the focus is to stay healthy, to socially distance and limit one's movements within our community, and heed the guidance that we're receiving from the Center of Disease Control and from the state through the governor's health mandates. Last week, as we pushed out on our website, the governor did have health mandate number 10, which implements a travel restrictions and a declaration if you come from out of state. When you come in state, you need to self-quarantine for 14 days. That's critical. So we're really focused on limiting the spread. You know, we're more than halfway through the president's 15 days to slow the spread of the coronavirus. And as we've seen, the curve is steep still right now. So we all need to be doing our part to limit our movements within our community. I'm working from home. If you can do that, that's certainly highly recommended from both federal, state, and local government. The Denali Borough office was closed to the public this past week, but we are a functioning government. You can reach us by phone, 683-1330, by email. And if you need notary or passport services, call that number and we can arrange an appointment. But for walk-in purposes, the Denali Borough office is closed, and we're going to extend that closure from originally May 1st to May 13th. April 1st to April 13th. We're taking it about 2 weeks at a time right now. So that's some updates on the status of the borough offices and the governor's health mandates. Do keep yourself informed through the state website, the Department of Health and Human Services. There's a link to that on our website for the latest updates. And we have received an unprecedented level of engagement with local, state, and federal officials, been in teleconferences, sometimes 3 a day, regarding this crisis and governmental responses. Teleconferences with everybody from the governor to the Vice President of the United States, and there are a lot of relief. Well, of course, the big congressional relief package was passed last night. Largest relief package in history, relief for small businesses. There are links to those on our website and on the Denali Chamber website as well. Relief for corporations, direct payments to individuals, and increased and extended unemployment insurance benefits. Gosh, that was the largest filing of unemployment claims in the history of our country recently. And the economic consequences of this health crisis are severe. The health crisis is severe, the economic consequences are severe, and they're severe for us locally as we rely on travel for a fair amount of our economy. A lot of our people are going to be impacted economically. So far, we have not had a confirmed case of coronavirus here in the Denali Borough. with the amount of spread that's going on in Anchorage and Fairbanks, we expect there to be one. But please do limit your activities in visiting Anchorage or Fairbanks. And if you do, self-quarantine for 14 days is the recommendation from the governor. If you're coming in from out of state, it's a mandate. You need to fill out that declaration form. And we're working on measures that could further protect our community. For that's our number one priority, protecting our people. And then the economic rebound is already in the works. But boy, there's going to be a lot of pain in the next couple years in terms of economic fallout. But we're all going to work together to have our community come out of it strong, healthy. And we have some more announcements on that later. We're working with the chamber to establish an economic recovery task force or alliance. And we're certainly tuned into all the federal and state programs that are offered. So stay tuned, and thanks for tuning in. Stay safe, limit your movements, and let's try and flatten this curve because right now it's pretty steep. Thanks, take care. Have a good day. Bye.